everyone, this is David. Today I will show you how to threading on the Rainbow Embroidery Machine. At first, we can find the 2.5mm screwdriver in two cases and loose these two screws of thread stand. Also, loose two screws at another side. And then we can raise up the thread stand and fix the 4 screws here. Also, fix the 2 screws at another side. We can put thread on machine one by one. The thread color sequence is no problem because we can set each needle color in control system later. We had put all threads on machine, now we can threading it. You can say there is already thread on machine stand. It is for machine inspection in workshop, so it's no problem. Let's get started threading it. This thread is for number 1 needle. This one gets through from this 3 holes and go to the first knob. And this one is for number 2 needle. It's getting through from this one and these 2 holes and go to the number 2 knob. And this thread is for number 3 needle. It gets through from this hole and go to the number 3 knob, and so on. It's for number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 needles. Okay, let's get started threading the first needle. At first, we can threading from this hole, this one, and this one, and this one, and go to the knob. We can threading from this hole and put the thread under the knob here. Okay, and then we need to threading from this tube. We can use the thread picker. This side has a hook here, and put it into the tube, and hook the thread on the picker here, and then the thread can getting through from the thread tube easily. Okay, and then we need to put the tube here and put the thread under the knob. Okay, put the thread under the knob, and another side we can put it on the machine head here. Okay, let's threading on the machine head. At first, we can put the thread under the metal, and here also put the thread under the knob, and put the thread at left side of this button, and then continue go to the hook, and go to the white wire threading like this. Okay, surround the white wire, and then also put it under the metal, and continue goes down this side. You can say there is an arrow downward. That means the thread here downward, and here is arrow upward. Means we need to threading here. The thread goes up, and then threading from the picker, and then continue to downward. Pull down the thread, and threading from this hole. But when we threading a multi-head embroidery machine, here is a button. Need to push the button from inside to outside. Then the thread can get through from this hole. Single head machine can get in through this hole directly. And then we can threading into the needle. Okay. And then after threading from the needle, we can pull down the thread and hang the thread on the screen here. Okay, it's done. Okay, you can see we have threading all needles. The pink thread is for number 2 needle, and it getting through from this one and this one, these 2 holes, and getting through from the black knob and it's under the knob, and also getting through from the tube and go to machine head is under the metal, and it's under the second black knob, and it's at the left side of the button, and it's surround the white wire here, and it's under the metal, and this downward, and then it's downward and then upward here, and getting through from the thread picker, then downward here, and getting through from the hole, and threading in the needle, and then hung it on the screen. This is how the machine threading. We can check the bobbin thread like this, open the bobbin cover and take out the bobbin like this. You can say there is a thread in the bobbin. If the bobbin thread used up, we can find the replace one in toolkit. Okay, let me show you how to threading the bobbin. At first, you can say the bobbin threading like this and put it into bobbin case like this, and then there is a gap here, make the thread getting through the gap and put it under the metal clip, and then threading on the spring and pull the bobbin, make it can be pulled smoothly and easily, and then we can put the bobbin into rotary hook and push it into rotary hook like this. Okay, it was locked by the rotary hook, and put the thread on the hook on the fork, then close the case. Okay, we had finished threading of the machine. In next video, we will show you the function of the control screen and how to operate the control screen. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.